Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you're excited to be back into a routine at school and you're doing well and your family's doing well. Um, this is going to take a little bit of getting used to doing this learning via the distance. So I'm just going to make this quick little video to reintroduce ourselves. Welcome back each other if you want to on the discussion board and things like that. I've made both a discussion board for general overall questions that you could answer for each other about how things um, like what to do in the class and things like that, but also another one about asking questions so students could answer other students' questions about how to do a certain problem or things like that. And then, of course, I'll be available to you from 9:30 to 3:30 each day with specific office hours for our hour that I sent out in the Schoology Messenger. So if you haven't turned that feature on yet, make sure you turn on the Schoology Messenger. I'll be sending out a lot of kind of like information via that rather than just also on the learning pages as well. So hopefully you guys have been finding some time to be active and stay engaged in different things. I know everyone's in a different situation with how this has been going. I've been doing household projects. I've built a rocket or two and things like that with my sons, and we've been kind of having lots of different little project times and things like that, and also getting ready to do this learning at a distance with you guys. So anyway, we're in different places. I'll put some instructions on the distance learning page for today. If you're finishing up forces, please connect with me individually via the email, or we'll have that Google Hangout or Google Meet coming up in a little bit. We were on energy, and if you guys remember, we had just finished talking about springs and elastic energy. The best way to probably progress is I'd like to finish that unit up. I dropped the whole unit of momentum, so we're just going to finish up like we would have that week that we would have been back together with taking the energy kind of a summative, which will be open note, kind of a open note, open book take home, just to kind of make sure that you're in a right place about energy. It'll be like 3 math questions, 3 or 4 math questions, and then a shortened multiple choice thing that we'll do on Friday as a summative. And you can have all day to do it, so not a rush on the time to do it, but it's just a check-in. So you'd probably want to start today working through those learning pages in the energy folder, and I kind of shortened them up, clarified them, and cleaned them up a little bit. And there's no power on it. Okay, so the power page, we'll skip the power page for now as well. So that's kind of the nuts and bolts of how we'll get started for the day. But make sure you do the attendance and things like that. Those are all, so what I've talked about so far is all just the kind of the mechanics of getting back together. It'll take us a while to get on our feet and doing this, but just to let you know, that's kind of where we're at. And like I said, reach out to me during the Google Meet and things like that if you want to connect one-on-one or via email, or there's a phone number too that's a Google phone number that we can also just talk on the computer and things like that. But the biggest thing is I hope that you guys are finding getting back to school comfortable and getting excited to be back in kind of a routine and getting going with kind of figuring out how we're going to do this together over the next X number of weeks. So anyway, welcome back, and hope to see you soon or talk to you soon during our class time with any questions and things like that that you might have. Okay, Mr. Moss signing out. Talk to you later. Bye.